See here. Now it become app.display edit field. Means whatever name that you're going to add here, apart from that edit field, that term is going to added to this previously to the edit field. Okay. Now if I run this program, it will not work because again go to callback. How I need to go? Right click on start button, go to callbacks, go to start button, choose callback. Now just look at what is the value I sent here. See another advantage. The moment I change the name as it is ap.display edit field, edit field, I modified it as a display, automatically that term is added here. And I didn't. So that kind of advantages you will get when you're using this app. It is such a user friendly. You feel more comfortable. Yeah, again you can run it. The same text can be displayed. Clear? So this is how you can play with the text. So according to your requirement, if you are supposed to display some text, this is how you have to implement. And further, how many you want, you can add that many. See, for example, here I'm using, it is not like only I should use only one start button. If you want another component, you can add. Maybe I can take another component. And if you want another edit field, you can add another edit field as per your wish. And then if you press this second button, something to be displayed here. So accordingly, you have to write a code. And if you feel like you want to delete some, just select that and then delete. Even if you select all and then delete, it will get erased. It will get deleted. So you can select a single component and then you can press the delete option, or at a stretch you can delete all the components. I'm just deleting this. Okay, so this is how we'll do. Now one more experiment we'll see. So I'm just closing this.